Exploring the charm of blooming marvelous. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're unpacking a particularly cheerful and vibrant phrase, blooming marvelous. This expression is not just about flowers. It's a delightful way to express admiration or approval. So, let's explore what makes this phrase so special and how you can use it in everyday English. Blooming marvelous is a quintessentially British expression, brimming with positivity and enthusiasm. At its core, it's used to express that something is excellent, wonderful, or very pleasing. The word, blooming, here doesn't just refer to flowers opening up. It's used as an intensifier, much like very or really, but with a touch more charm and enthusiasm. While the exact origins of blooming marvelous are a bit hazy, it's clear that it's steeped in British English and has been in use for quite some time. Blooming, as an intensifier, is a bit of British slang that dates back to the 19th century, if not earlier. It's a softer, more family-friendly version of other British intensifiers, making blooming marvelous a phrase that's both expressive and polite. Using blooming marvelous in conversation is a fantastic way to sound more like a native speaker and add a dash of British flair to your English. It's perfect for reacting to good news, praising someone's work, or expressing your enjoyment of an experience. For example, after tasting a delicious piece of cake, you might say, "This cake is blooming marvelous." Or, upon hearing a friend's good news, you could respond with, "That's blooming marvelous, mate." Remember, while it's a positive and enthusiastic expression, it's best used in informal contexts. Like many expressions in English, blooming marvelous can be tweaked and played with. You might hear variations like absolutely blooming marvelous for even more emphasis, or simply blooming great or blooming fantastic to vary the adjectives while keeping the cheerful, approving tone. Blooming marvelous is more than just a phrase. It's a sparkling expression of joy, approval, and admiration. It's a lovely way to add some brightness and positivity to your conversations in English. We hope you find the perfect moment to use blooming marvelous and that it adds a bit of sparkle to your day. Thank you for watching, and as always, we hope this video has been blooming marvelous for you.